important thing is to approach the text with an open heart and to desire to learn and grow in your faith. It's not just doing this, not just knowing these 5 resources. Always Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's good to have you here again. On today's video, we're going to be talking about 5 helpful resources for personal Bible study. As Christians, studying the Bible is crucial in growing your faith and deepening your relationship with God. But sometimes it can be challenging to know where to start from, what to do, and how to go about this personal Bible study. And that's why I'm putting these resources together to help you enhance your study life and make it easier for you to study your Bible effortlessly. I want to differentiate 2 things for you. One is the difference between reading your Bible and studying your Bible. Some people think that when they read their Bible, they have actually studied their Bible, but it is not true. Both are important aspects of Christian life, but they differ in terms of depth and intention. Alright? In summary, reading your Bible involves simply going through the text and reading it from beginning to end to gain a general understanding of the text. So it just involves going through your Bible. So I can play an audio Bible and I'm reading my Bible. It just involves going through the text from beginning to end to understand the general context of that text. However, studying your Bible involves a more intentional and in-depth approach to engaging the text. It is engaging the text, asking the right questions, thinking the right thoughts, just chewing the text, if there's any word like that, literally chewing the text. That's what studying your Bible means. And a lot of us don't have time to do that. We just feel weak when it comes to studying the Bible. All right. My name is Amechi Victor Okeke. And like I said, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So I want you to stick to this video till the very end so that I can give you those 5 helpful resources that has helped me in studying my Bible. And I believe in my heart strongly that they will help you also. Alright guys, welcome back. So the first resource that we'll be talking about is the Study Bible. I know a lot of us have heard about the Study Bible, but we don't think it is necessary to get one, especially because I can read my NIV just the way my normal Bible and understand it. Study Bible helps you largely in building or enhancing your study life. I think I got my first Study Bible in 2013. That was a King James Study Bible. I got it in 2013 and it has helped me in enhancing my study life. The Study Bible provides additional context, commentary, and insights to help you better understand a text. So you can read a text and not understand it. But when you go through the commentary or go through the context or look at the context there or look at those verses underneath the Study Bible just to refer you to another chapter of the Bible or another verse of the Bible, it can help you largely to understanding or getting an in-depth understanding of that particular text that you are reading. It can create more insight for you, something you were not even thinking about. You just understand it differently because you read the commentaries. Some popular study Bible includes the NIV Study Bible, ESV Study Bible, New Student Life Application Study Bible, and the NKJV Study Bible. I'll include some link underneath this video that would help you get your study Bible just in case you are looking for one. Another great resource for personal Bible study is what I call the Bible commentaries. Commentaries provide a more in-depth analysis of a particular text. They tell you things like why this thing was said, when it was said, the thought in the person's heart, thinking that, okay, maybe this person was thinking about this when he said this, or the city he said it, or what led to that comment. That's what the commentary does. It gives you a more in-depth analysis of that text, including historical, cultural background, and theological insights. Sometimes people will say, I don't want to get so deep, so let me just do the one I can do and leave. It's okay. For a long time, I studied my Bible without Bible commentaries. But when I started reading commentaries, I saw that it helped me expand my mind. It just opened my mind to see that these people were actually real people living in a particular state or a particular country or living under a certain culture, and they had to abide by those culture. They had to do these things. That was why they made these comments. All right. That was why they said this thing and all of that. Some popular Bible commentaries include the Matthew Henry commentary. It also includes the Ty Daly, I hope I pronounced that well, commentary series, and the expository Bible commentary. Like I said, I'll drop some link underneath this video so it can help you get into those commentaries and see them for yourself. All right, so let's jump into the third resource is the Bible Concordance. I know a lot of us know about this Bible Concordance. A concordance is a helpful tool for studying the Bible original language. So you know when people preach and they say the original Greek word for this was this, and this is what, yes, that's the Bible Concordance they use. All right, when pastors preach and they say that it's a Bible Concordance, and I think you can't just keep waiting for your pastor to tell you the original Greek word, where the Hebrew word, what this meant, and all of that. You can do that yourself. Just get the Bible Concordance, and it will help you get the original language the Bible was written in. It allows you to search for specific words and their occurrences throughout the Bible. So you can find out that the word love was said 250 times, for example. I'm not accurate. 250 times, for example, in the Bible and all of that. That's what the Bible Concordance helps you to do. Some popular concordance includes the Strong's Concordance, Young Analytical Concordance, and the New Strong Expanded Concordance. I'm going to be dropping the links because I know some of you are wondering, what is this guy even saying? Yeah, I'm going to be dropping the link underneath this video. Just check the description, click on them, and see them for yourself. All right, so if you're just joining my video, I would want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel in case you haven't. All right, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. If you are enjoying the content coming from this channel, please don't forget to share with your friends and drop a comment. All right, drop a comment. So let's jump to the fourth resource is the Bible Study app. I mean, we're in the 21st century or the 23rd century. All right, we're in 2023. And by this time, the mobile apps, everything you hear of ChatGPT, you hear of phone mobile apps, you hear of Bible apps and all of that. In today's digital age, there are varieties of Bible study apps available on the internet that can enhance your personal study experiences. These apps offers features like your daily devotional, reading plans, audio Bibles, and note-taking capabilities. All right, some popular Bible study apps include the YouVersion Bible Study app. I know you have heard of the YouVersion. The link to how to download the YouVersion Bible would be put in the description, all right, of this video. We have the Blue Letter Bible. All right, and we have the Bible Gateways. These are amazing Bible study apps that you can have on your phone that would help you study your Bible. I think I also do the YouVersion yearly reading plan on my phone. So it tells me what passage to read for a day that would help me read the entire Bible for the year. All right, it can also help you, give you a study plan. You can read and find out Bible Concordance on the YouVersion and the Gateway Bible also. You can also find Bible commentaries in this app. It is made very easy for you. Finally, another helpful resource for personal Bible study is learning from biblical commentators and scholars. The individuals have dedicated their lives to studying the Bible and have valuable insights to share. You can find their writings in books, online articles, and podcasts. Some popular Bible commentators and scholars include Tim Keller, John Piper, and N.T. Wright. All right. So Bible commentators, I think there was a time I always listened to a podcast, and the guy always he always reads the Bible and talks about the Bible. Reverend Father something, I can't remember his name. If I can, I'll drop the link to his podcast underneath this video so you can check him out. He just reads the Bible, and what he does is that he explains the Bible, gives his commentary, and invites some scholars too so that they can share their insights on that particular chapter or verse of the Bible. All right, guys, so there you have it. 5 helpful resources for personal Bible study. Remember, the most important thing is to approach the text with an open heart and to desire to learn and grow in your faith. It's not just doing this, not just knowing these 5 resources. Always approach a text with an open heart. You are going to sit there for long and study. Don't just think, I'm coming and I'm leaving immediately. I have just 5 minutes, so let me give God that 5 minutes because I have to be up and out. You can wake up early and give time to studying your Bible so that you have enough time to think, meditate, and chew that text. All right, guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any other resources I didn't talk about, please let us know in the comments below. And I want to also say, like this video, subscribe, and share with your friends to help them enhance their study life. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a beautiful day and keep God first. Bye.